Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. This is the market preview for Tuesday, May 13th, 2014. We've got some pretty good movement today, but not a real bias of signals here. We've got some on the buy side and some on the sell side here today. We do have a fair amount of CPS conditions, which is definitely positive. We've got some pretty good price action going on in Amazon and also Baidu. Biogen's also strong with a nice open close deviation, but that one doesn't have a signal on the buy side. It's actually flirting with the downside RPS here. Big day in Netflix, huge day in Netflix. That's more than 4% above the day's open, sporting an upside CPS. We took that long on a call on the messenger over 335, and currently that's about 10 points in the money. So a real nice player there, and that one looks like it wants to follow through for tomorrow as well. Looking at the financials, a little bit down on volume here, not quite as in motion as the NASDAQ stuff. It was definitely a high beta day across the board, but there are a couple things here. We've got an RPS to the downside in American Express. We've got an upside CPS for the CME and Huntington Bancorp. As far as the energy names go, we're seeing a lot of contra candles here and some weakness. BTU looks pretty weak after having a pretty nice run going up into today. That one's also on some decent volume. We've got some decent volume in CHK, and that one's still 1.5% above the day's open. RIG has an upside CPS and is more than 1% above the day's open. Moving on to the market generals here, we're a little bit biased to the sell side. We've got a volume bump in Dow Chemical. That one's pretty strong today and showing an upside CPS as well. Nothing else too much as far as the as volume bumps go. VMware's got an upside CPS. Doesn't have a volume bump, but it is nicely above the day's open, and that one might follow through for tomorrow. Taking a look at the housing names, not too much here. Definitely not the focus. We've got an upside CPS on Toll Brothers and a downside RPS on Hovnanian. The transports are trading pretty well here. We've got 3 upside CPSs. We've got one on UPS, UNP, and also one on FedEx. So pretty strong price action in the transports, which is definitely going to be welcome today. Commodities are a little bit soft today. A lot of the names were acting as a source of funds, especially the precious metals. The non-precious metal stocks are actually trading pretty well today. U.S. Steel is real strong, as is Alcoa AA. But you can see we don't have anything on the buy side here for tomorrow. But all right, so that's a preview for tomorrow. Guys, have a good night, and we will see you tomorrow. As always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.